what I need to put in my fridge. So, okay. So let's open up. So we're gonna put some So I think I might know how to make sushi. So let's bring loads of them. Don't know what happened, but okay. All out. And then no one's gonna keep. Let's just track that now. And also that. And that's it. What's going on, guys? So, okay, we've got 3 sushis. Now let's go here. Let's get this kind of plate, and let's put the sushi on. Okay, there's the sushi. And now we gotta put some. Let's put in some baby food. No, not baby food. No, not baby food. We don't need baby food. And why is there a carrot? Don't need a carrot. Okay, so we need steak, maybe. Chicken. Some noodles, maybe. Some cereal, and that kind of cereal, but some cheese, some apples and tomatoes. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to put all of this in because I don't care if it's not organised or anything. Put a sticker there. It's not going to be very, very organised. I don't care if it's not organised or anything. And then let's put the sushi in. And that's the end of the video. Bye, guys.